out loud. Yeah, tell him what you can and can't do. Big boy.
Okay, today is the big day. I have been waiting for this day for a long time. We had this day last year. We have this day again this year. We're going to keep this fight going until we have the right to exist. I'm so excited. I'm so excited that everybody's here. I wanted to say a couple things just to clarify for everybody about the testimony process when we go inside. When we go inside, everybody that wants to testify can sign up to testify. So if you have something to say to the committee members to tell them why we need the right to rest, why we should be able to sleep, to sit, to lay down, to cover ourselves, to sleep in a vehicle, to share food, if you have something to say about that from your own personal experiences, from some other perspective, you can sign up to testify in the back. So you'll go into the room, it's room 271, you'll go in the back and you'll sign the list with your name. You don't have to use a real name, you can use a fake name if you want, that's fine, but just put a name down and know that's what you'll be called up as. There's going to be 10 people that are the first guaranteed, and then after that, everybody else would be going from the sign-up list in the pack. And we have no control over that list. We have no control over how many people get to speak or whatnot. That's all the chair that controls that. But please do come in and sign up to speak and speak from your heart. That is what's most important. They need to know, everybody that's going to be watching this on the news and everything needs to know your heart, needs to know what is going on, the reality that has been blinded for so long. So please come and speak.
Can we make it short and sweet?
It's 3 minutes total, and you can speak shorter. Yes.
Okay, like a, what do you call it? When you need a job. What is it?
It can be short and sweet. An elevator speech. Whatever.
No,
it's all good.
No, it's called
soundbite.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, real quick.